In this video, we will guide you through the steps to take in order to build the perfect frugal living routine. But most importantly, we want to inspire you to take action. It's never too late to start your journey towards financial freedom. With the right mindset and a plan in place, you can achieve your dreams and live the life you deserve. So let's dive in and start building the perfect frugal living routine together. Chapter 1. Understanding frugal living. At its core, frugal living is about being mindful of your spending, making conscious choices, and prioritizing what truly matters. It's about living a life that aligns with your values and goals rather than being controlled by the constant cycle of consumerism. Contrary to popular belief, frugal living is not about being cheap or stingy. Instead, it's about being resourceful, creative, and finding joy in the simple things in life. It's about finding ways to live within your means without sacrificing your happiness or well-being. Frugal living is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about finding what works best for you and your unique circumstances. It's about recognizing the areas where you can cut back and the areas where you can invest in yourself and your future. Chapter 2. Steps to achieve financial freedom through frugal living. Step 1. Budgeting. At its core, budgeting is about understanding your money, where it comes from, and where it's going. It's about being intentional with your spending and making sure that every dollar has a purpose. Creating a budget plan can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Start by identifying your income and expenses and break them down into categories. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and where you can cut back. Monitoring your budget is key to its success. Keep track of your spending and make adjustments as needed. It's important to be flexible and adaptable as unexpected expenses may arise. Budgeting is not about restricting yourself or living a life of deprivation. It's about making choices that align with your values and goals and finding a balance that works for you. When you create a budget plan and stick to it, you gain control over your finances and can start making progress towards your financial goals. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or building your retirement fund, budgeting is the first step towards achieving these milestones. Step 2. Reducing expenses. Before we dive into the topic at hand, I have a small request to make. If you're enjoying this video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by subscribing to the channel. This way, you'll be the first to know about future content and updates, and it will also help us reach a wider audience. Thank you for your consideration. Reducing expenses doesn't have to mean giving up the things you love. It's about finding creative solutions and alternatives that work for you. For example, instead of eating out at expensive restaurants, try cooking at home and exploring new recipes. You'll not only save money, but also develop a new skill and perhaps even discover a passion for cooking. Another way to reduce expenses is to embrace a minimalist lifestyle. Decluttering your home and simplifying your possessions can not only save you money, but also bring a sense of peace and calm to your life. When it comes to shopping, there are many ways to save money. You can shop at discount stores, buy used or refurbished items, or take advantage of sales and coupons. By being a savvy shopper, you can still enjoy the things you love without breaking the bank. Reducing expenses is not just about saving money. It's also about being mindful of your impact on the environment. By choosing to buy secondhand or eco-friendly products, you can reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. Remember, reducing expenses is not about sacrificing your quality of life. It's about finding a balance that works for you. By being intentional with your spending, you can save money and achieve your financial goals while still enjoying the things you love. Step 3. Increasing income. Increasing your income can come in many forms. You could ask for a raise or promotion at work, take on a side hustle, or start your own business. It may require some hard work and dedication, but the rewards can be life-changing. When it comes to side hustles, there are countless possibilities. You could sell handmade crafts or goods, freelance in your area of expertise, or offer services such as pet sitting or tutoring. By using your skills and passions, you can create a stream of income that fits your lifestyle and interests. Starting your own business is another way to increase your income and take control of your financial future. It may require some initial investment and hard work, but the rewards can be significant. You'll have the freedom to work on your own terms, pursue your passions, and potentially earn a higher income than you would working for someone else. Increasing income is not just about earning more money. It's also about building skills and knowledge that can benefit you in the long term. By learning new skills, taking courses, and pursuing education, you can increase your value and potential earning power. Remember, increasing income is not about being greedy or materialistic. It's about creating new opportunities and possibilities for yourself and your family. By taking control of your financial future, you can live the life you want and achieve your dreams. Step 4. Building habits for a frugal lifestyle. Building habits for a frugal lifestyle can be challenging, but it's worth the effort. By making small changes and developing new routines, you can transform your relationship with money and achieve financial freedom. One of the most important habits to cultivate is mindfulness. This means being aware of your spending habits and making conscious choices about where your money goes. By taking the time to think before you buy, you can avoid impulse purchases and save money in the long run. Another habit to develop is setting and sticking to a budget. This means creating a plan for your money and sticking to it, even when it's tempting to overspend. By tracking your expenses and staying within your means, you can avoid debt and build a solid financial foundation. Consistency is key when it comes to building habits for a frugal lifestyle. This means making small changes and sticking to them over time. Whether it's cutting back on your daily coffee habit or starting a weekly meal planning routine, every small change can add up to big savings over time. Another important habit to cultivate is patience. Achieving financial freedom takes time and dedication. It requires discipline, perseverance, and a willingness to make sacrifices in the short term for long-term gain. By staying focused on your goals and maintaining a positive attitude, you can overcome obstacles and achieve success. Building habits for a frugal lifestyle is not just about saving money. It's about creating a mindset of abundance and possibility. By cultivating gratitude, mindfulness, and positivity, you can develop a deeper appreciation for the simple things in life and find joy in the present moment. Step 5. Staying on track with your financial goals. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can quickly derail even the best laid plans. However, with the right mindset and tools, it's possible to stay on track and achieve your financial goals. One key to staying on track is to regularly revisit and reassess your goals. As your life circumstances change, your financial goals may also need to be adjusted. By regularly checking in on your progress and making necessary adjustments, you can ensure that you're still on track towards achieving your dreams. Another important tool for staying on track is accountability. This means finding a friend, family member, or financial advisor who can help keep you motivated and on track towards your goals. By sharing your goals and progress with someone else, you can receive valuable feedback and support when you need it most. Staying on track with your financial goals also requires a willingness to make sacrifices and stay disciplined in the face of temptation. Whether it's skipping that expensive vacation or saying no to the latest gadget, making small sacrifices can help you stay focused and achieve your goals faster. Mindset is also critical when it comes to staying on track with your financial goals. By cultivating a positive mindset and focusing on the progress you've already made, you can stay motivated and avoid getting discouraged by setbacks or unexpected expenses. Finally, it's important to celebrate your wins along the way. Whether it's paying off a credit card or hitting a savings milestone, taking time to acknowledge your progress can help you stay motivated and energized for the journey ahead. Remember, frugal living isn't about deprivation or sacrifice. It's about making intentional choices that align with your values and priorities. It's about living a life of purpose and meaning where your money serves as a tool to help you achieve your dreams.